Hello, it's Danny Watkins with American Eagle Harley-Davidson, and this week I get the new bike of the week. Folks, we got the new 2023 Dark Platinum CVO Screaming Eagle Street Glide. So this thing's kind of been totally redesigned, as you can see. Milwaukee-Eight 121 with a variable valve timing. It's got new design gas tanks, saddlebags, still got the powerful Rockford Fosgate system. This one in the Dark Platinum has the black chrome exhaust. It looks really good. You got your new infotainment system. This thing has 4 different modes. You got your regular 3, and then you can customize your own mode. Rain, highway, sport, and then you can do a custom download on it. It's got a retractable deal bin right here. It's got the new Fat Boy front fender, inverted front end. This thing even has a glove box. Check that out. Put your insurance in there, or who knows what. Custom tail lights and headlights, turn signals, running lights. Also liquid cooled. Has heated grips. It's got totally redesigned hand controls that are all illuminated so you can see the buttons. It's just one of the fine motorcycles we got here. We got a big selection. Please come see Danny and let me show you how easy it is to get on a Harley-Davidson. Thank you.